Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to Trades with Abdi. Today is February the 16th, Friday morning, and we are ready to rock and roll. So I got Tesla, Nvidia, Meta, and Uber, and AMD on the watch list, just like yesterday. So let's get right into it. As you guys can see here on the daily chart, Tesla had this little nice gap, and as you guys can see, the past couple of days kind of been trading in this range. Right here, and then we are finally getting a break out of that range. As you guys can see, we retested that 195 level twice and got rejected, and finally we had a breakout out of that zone yesterday. So what I'll be looking for is, if as you guys can see, obviously Tesla is looking pretty good this morning, even though we had a little nice pop pre-market, came back down, retested that yesterday's high. Looks like it's holding it pretty strong. So I would like to start seeing some momentum here towards the upside. Maybe we get a slight pullback, retest that pre-market low or that yesterday's low once again, and then we start pushing towards the upside and get a break of that pre-market high. And we also have a 207 key level up ahead, and we either get a retest or a break out of that zone basically. So that's pretty much the game plan on Tesla. If it starts selling off, I would like to see this get below this yesterday's high, retest it, and start continuing to the downside for a retest of that 195, or maybe we might possibly get a break out of that zone. So we'll see how that goes. Next we got Nvidia. Nvidia, as you guys can see on the daily chart, has been extremely bullish. We did get a slight pullback yesterday. We kind of had a little nice pullback off the open, and then started kind of trading in this zone here basically the whole day. But as you guys can see, we are getting some slight nice move here towards the upside here in pre-market. We retested this if we go ahead and look at this 4 hourly, we retested this level a couple of times, and then once again today we retested that pre-market as well, that 741 key level. So I'd like to see this either give me a little slight pullback and we start ripping here towards the upside, looking for a break of that yesterday's high, as well as that key level, that 741, and possibly making a new all-time high on Nvidia. So we'll see how that goes. Next we got Meta been extremely bullish, made a new all-time high yesterday here on the daily chart, you guys can see, but slightly been kind of getting been having a little nice consolidation here. But as you guys can see, we are getting a break out of that zone here. Pre-market, we are slightly trading here to the downside. That I do not like. I would like to see this hold this 480 key level and we get a bounce off of that. Maybe we might get that here once the market opens in about 5 minutes or so. So we'll see how that goes. But if it starts to sell off, I'm looking for a break of that yesterday's low, as well as that 471 key level, this area, and we possibly start if it's not strong enough to hold this level, we get a below that. I'm looking for a trade to the downside, because we still do have a room all the way down to that down to this 452 key level. So we'll see how that goes. And next we got Uber had this huge low nice gap and had that nice continuation here yesterday as well, making a new all-time high. And as you guys can see here, came back down pre-market. We had a little nice sell-off, but it held that previous resistance, now turned into a support, and it's holding that strong. So I'd like to see this continue to hold. We get maybe a retest here off the open, and then we start ripping here towards the upside, making a new all-time high. So looking for a quick trade on that one. And lastly but not least, we got AMD. AMD, we had a slight pullback yesterday, once again rejected off that level, and as you guys can see here on the 4-hour time frame, we do have a low nice key level at 179ish. We rejected that previously, once again previously kind of held that level, and then once again we rejected that yesterday, and pre-market kind of got around there but not quite, but we are kind of still consolidating in this range. So I would like to see this hold, and once the market opens, start seeing some momentum here towards the upside. So we'll see how that goes. I think that's pretty much all the stocks I'm watching. I am kind of watching on the side of Google as well, here to the downside. So if we see this, we had a little nice gap here to the downside, and as you guys can see, we are getting some sell-off here in pre-market as well. So if this continues to sell off, I'd like to start seeing this get below that pre-market low, retest it, and then start seeing some sell-off. I'd like to take that price action. Obviously, for all these stocks I'm talking about, you gotta let the price action set up. But with that being said, the market is gonna open here in about 3 minutes, and I'll see you guys once the market opens. Hopefully we get some good trades in this morning, finish off the week strong. This week been pretty tough, honestly. I have not taken no trade besides yesterday. We was up 370 yesterday, which is a little nice profit, but Monday wasn't able to trade. Tuesday and Thursday, my message kept popping up saying that I don't have the permission to trade contracts and whatnot. So it was a whole thing. I had to call in and then get that fixed. But all in all, we are back in business. So hopefully we make some good profits this morning. So I'll see you guys once I find anything else. All right, Nvidia coming back up, looking good. I'm looking for a break of that 741 as well as that pre-market high. There it comes. All right, I'm in there 2 contract at 1783. There we go. Market picking up some momentum here as well, picking up some steam here. I'd like to see this go. Kind of getting some hesitation here. There we go. Come on. There we go. Here comes that break. Beautiful. Looking for some continuation here. There we go. We do have an all-time high at 746. QQ starting to pick up some momentum here as well. Trying to be patient with this one. We do have room all the way up there to 746. Wow, what a rejection. Still trying to be patient, just letting it play out. Wow, what a rejection. Look at that. I do not like that wick at all. Let's see how this candle closes. I like to see this close above that pre-market high. It's a huge wick on that. I don't like that at all. We might be getting stopped out on this trade. Nvidia looking pretty good though, still looking strong. There we go. Here it comes. Tesla coming as well. Nice volume on these though. Struggling, a lot of resistance at that level. A lot of fight back and forth. As long as it's holding that 90 EMA, it's looking good. Oh man, what a sell-off here on SPY and QQQ. We are getting some aggressive pullback on SPY and QQQ. Don't like that at all. Trying to be patient with this trade. All right, I'm all out there. Wow, what a pullback. Fuck that one, fuck this for sure. All right, huge wick here on SPY QQQ. So we might retry here on Nvidia. Alright, here comes Tesla, looking to try here to the downside. We do have room to 195. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and enter 2 contracts there. 897, looking for a break of that. It's not going as fast as I like it to, but we'll see. We are getting some rejection off that. SPY and QQQ are aggressively selling off. I don't like that Tesla is not going with it. I like to see Tesla starting to pick up some aggressive momentum here. Okay, there it comes. Will we get that break? Come on, Tesla. I don't like the hesitation. Oh my god, SPY and QQ are just ripping. Holy shit. Alright, here it comes. There we go. Come on. Oh my god, SPY and QQ are just ripping here to the downside. There we go. There we go. Beautiful. We do have room down to that 195. Probably not gonna hold that long. I think I'm gonna just go ahead and secure the profits there. Selling to the strength. We're out 206 on that. What a fucking move on Nvidia. Holy. Oh my god. Oh my god, man, I missed. I was like, I was gonna take that Nvidia trade, but I was like, I was overly too extended. Oh man. All right, here comes Nvidia. Wow, market is still selling off. I mean, we do have a room to that one retested at 725 here on Nvidia. So I might take that quick scalp, but I would like to see this consolidate a little bit more. I would like to see this retest that 98 MA as well as that 733 key level. show me that it's holding strong below that in this pre-market low as well before we get another leg down, but we'll see. Alright, I'm in there too. Contract aggressive sell-off here on SPY. Holy shit, oh my god, here it comes. Here we go, looking for a retest to that 725. Just looking to be in and out of this trade. Come on, don't wick on me now. Come on. There we go. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and take that there. Honestly, this is crazy. The move on here, this is wild. So we're pretty much break even on the day. Holy, the way Nvidia moving this morning is, wow, look at that wick on SPY and QQQ. Thank God, man. Look at, you gotta read the price action, man. You gotta read the price action.